As far as our adhesive solutions are concerned, we'd love to say the sky's the limit, but that's not strictly true, because we've actually designed bespoke adhesive solutions for aerospace applications. In light of that, it would probably be more fitting to say our solutions are out of this world, and so is our service. You see, we don't just deliver products, we step into your world, analyse your processes, and uncover better, more efficient ways of doing things. Our work in the aerospace industry serves as a perfect example. We were invited to take a look at a company's masking process, something they've been doing the same way for years. What we saw was a process that involved their production team masking twice, doubling time, labour and frustration. Did it work? Yes, but not without inefficiencies. So we challenged ourselves. What if we could develop a better way? Spoiler alert, we did. The result was DuoMask, a layered masking tape that revolutionised the masking process. DuoMask cut masking time in half, saved resources and streamlined workflow, all without sacrificing the precision they needed. It's more than just a product. It's proof of what we can achieve when we dive deep into your processes to create bespoke solutions that save time and improve efficiency. Details like masking are often overlooked, but they're exactly where inefficiencies and costs hide. But when you bring us in from the start, we're able to help rethink those details and turn them into your biggest wins. Ready to take your processes to new heights? Visit our site today. Let's transform the way you work one detail at a time.